Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional option trade strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the charting scanner, how we can create a alert from a charting scanner. This video, why I made one of my YouTube subscribers who are asking out how to do it. So even we are doing a lot of scanners and screeners, but if you get alerts, it would be better. So that's why I'm doing this and making this video. And meanwhile, so I have created one new course on Bank Nifty. So how to trade in Bank Nifty intraday options. So mostly so many of them are asking about Bank Nifty. So I have some strategies I back tested, and recently I posted my profit on Bank Nifty. But I'm not doing mostly in Bank Nifty options, but I'm mainly doing in a stock options. But that system is working on Bank Nifty, and that's why I'm going to create that course for those who are minimum capital and doing a Bank Nifty options trade. So if anyone who interested about Bank Nifty options trade, you can join with me. What are the things which I'm going to discuss on that course about the Bank Nifty option course, right? So that is a new one, new Bank Nifty course, only for a Bank Nifty. So here we can focus for a intraday. So intraday is about which we are going to buy, either a call buy or a put buy. So how to decide whether a call or a put. So that we are going to first mainly discuss about which options we are going to make it. And so we will use, and this is what either a call or a put. So which to buy, which buy, right? And then when to enter, when to exit. That is what the one concept, when to enter, when to exit. So in Bank Nifty. And the second one on the system which we are going to make a straddles and strangles. So how to make that, and from the straddle and strangle we can go for a long as well as short. So by using momentum finder. So these are the content of that Bayan course, which I'm charging it for around 4,500 on 7th of September. Sorry, yeah, 7th September by 9:15. We can start that class. If you're interested, you can join. That's about this thing. And let me go for the content where we are going to create a alerts. So how to create a charting alert, so which sending you the alert on real time. So let I'm going to create some scanner which any stocks, for example, if I'm going to make a first 15 minutes breakout. I think one of the guy who asking about the first 15 minutes I to breakout. So how to create the scan? Let's go to the high or the close price, the latest close. That means we can use a 15 minutes close. We'll go for a 15 minutes. Close price is crossed above high of equal to the first 15 minutes candle. Let's go to equal to first 15. So this is the scan where we are going to get the latest close. That means the current price which is breaking above the first 15 minutes high. So if you let scan, end of the day you will be getting lot of stocks. I think NMDG made breaks the first 15 minutes high at nearby closing of the day. So let me go for a NMDG. You will understand what happened in that. So let's go for the chart of NMDC on a 15 minutes time frame. NMDC on 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using a 15 minutes time. Let's look at this. This is what a first 15 minutes high. Here also it is breaking, right? It is also breaking. So every time if the first 15 minutes high is broken on the stock, it will be sending you the alerts. So if you are using this stock, you will be getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 times you will be getting the alerts. same alert you will be getting 11 times. Okay, because your condition is simple. When that current price is crossing above the first 15 minutes high, the first 15 minutes candle high. So if you are using this condition, it will give you many times, almost 11 times it is breaking. So you understand? I think if you are creating an alert based on this system, the alert will be only one time when it is first time it is created. So first I need to save the scan. So I need to save the scan, first 15 minutes to break, or first 15 minutes high to break. So that is also my scanner name. So I created a scanner. Now how to set a alert? So create a alert. So let's look at this. You have to create an alert for every 5 minutes, means this will send you only alert the first five, that every 5 minutes only. For example, to understand this, let I show you one thing. If the stock high is 100, let us assume the high price of the stock is 100 rupees at 9:15 high. But if the stock which is crossed 916, sorry, 916, the stock crossed above 100.10, but if you are mentioning here 5 minutes, the alert will be reached you 9:20 only. Or if you are 15 minutes, means you will be getting 9:30. So the end of the time frame you will be getting alert. So if you want to real time alerts, you should check this interval by 1 minute. So you have to change the interval by 1 minute. So once you do the 1 minute, it must be greater than 0. Okay, and it should be a continue. So here, whether you may select your notification, where you get it for your notification. If it is email, you will be getting your alert on your email what you registered with Chartink. There you can get the alert receipt first. The second is a SMS. If you are a paid subscribers, you will be getting some SMS count. Every recharge you will be getting some SMS count. So until the SMS is expired, you will be getting SMS to your mobile number. And SMS and email also be available. So you will be getting notified on your email, as well as you will be notified on through mobile. And the last one is desktop and mobile. So you will be getting mobile notification and desktop only on browser based, web based. So if you are using alert on your mobile, you will be getting in your mobile browser, either a Chrome, you will be getting the alert. And if you are using the alerts on a desktop, you will be getting pop-up on the alerts. Let's say subscribe to notification, so it will be pop-up on your desktop screen whenever the alert is triggered. So you can select any preferred way you can get. And here this is important. You can, if you have give you a duplicate like NMDC generate 11 times, it breaks the high, breaks the first 15 minutes high. So if you are having a duplicate alert, you will get 11 times the same alert. But if you are changing that duplicate into unique, you will be getting only the first time the stock breaks the high. So maybe this is the time you get the stock breaks the high at the first time. So this is what I led around nearby 11:45 or maybe 12 o'clock. So this time only one time alert you will be getting if you are using unique. So that you can easily make the alert. Once the alert is triggered to you, it will again and again will show you in the alert box, but it will not sending you the alerts. If the same stock, duplicate stock, if it is coming again on the scanner, it will never show you. So let I show you. I'll show you the scans alerts. Previously I have some intraday scalper buy alert. So I think you are getting on my Telegram channel, right? So alert to intraday scalper buy. Let's look at this here this way. The first one Yesterday we got it around based on that PFC and in the copper it's around 9/23 August. Okay, it's very long back, so you can check with the recent alerts. And 2nd September that was a alert. Okay, 2nd September it's not getting you more. So intraday scalper sell, intraday scalper sell alert. Let's look at this. Okay, that has also be a last one. So let's go for a high momentum stocks. Yes, let's look at these high momentum stocks. On 2nd September, you got a 3 stocks alert. Correct? 3 stocks. Let's look at this alert, how it filters at 139. That is the first time alert which is triggered in Biocon. And again 216, the same Biocon will be there, but it is in not alerted because I use unique. So it will not be alerted. And 316 also Biocon will be there. And let's look at India Mart is there. 216 is the first time it came in the alert. India Mart around 316 also it will be there. Biocon and Sun TV. So these are all in shaded. So that means the stock today at 2nd September, Biocon, which 3 times it is satisfying the conditions. But if I'm using that unique conditions, only one time, the first time only the alert you get it. The next time you are not getting the alert, it will be fade out. Okay, so that is what the main reason where we are making the alert as a unique alert. And time frame also you can use either 1 minute, 1 minute to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So that is what your scanner, based on your scanner you can change your time frame. So that is why we can simply change alert. So you can get a let's see, I have a balance of 1000 email notification and 1000 SMS notification. So if you are want to do that, you will be getting your SMS and mail also, but once the SMS is gone you will not get. But in your desktop and mobile web application it is unlimited because it is a web based notification. From your website it will be sending you the alerts. So like you can set your alerts for your charting scanner and it will be notified. And if you want to this alert onto your Telegram, so these alerts to Telegram, so here it is not possible directly send you alert. We need third-party softwares. So that will send you the alert. It receive the alerts from Chartink and there it will send you to your Telegram. That is what another process where it is a detailed process. It takes a huge time to convert. So it's a third-party software I used to send alert on my Telegram server. I'm not directly directly not able to send it from Chartink. So we receive the alerts to some third-party platform. From the third-party platform we have to send the alert to Telegram groups or channel, whatever you want you can. That third party is a paid version, so you need to pay for that monthly basis, and then you have to activate the service. If you want to personally, so you can ask me, I will guide you to how to do it. Thanks for this thing. I hope I cleared your doubt on this session. And again, the charting scanner, you can change whatever the time frame you want to the alerts based on the scanners. So go to the scanners, from there create an alert. Let I show you dashboard. This is what a first 15 minutes I to break and create alert. And here you can change the time frame, whatever market close or market open, week, month. You can change any time frame and notify unique email or SMS or mobile or desktop. So then save alert. It will be sending you alert by next the time. So if I am sending an alert, the 5-minute alert means I will be getting the next market opening day. I'll be getting 9:20 onwards. If I 1 minute, 9:16 onwards. 15 minutes, 9:30 onwards. I hope this may be useful video. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe the channel.